Hi my good people, my name is Director Sam Shots, CEO Sam Shots Studios here in Murang'a Town, and today I'm in one of the tallest buildings here in Murang'a Town. I'm taking an area shot of Murang'a Town, so come along with me as I take these creative shots. And basically we do drone services and all that, and in order to reach us out, call us on the number below that is on the video, not reach us out. So we do drone services, we do live streaming services, and come along with me.